Hello friends, and welcome to the video on the basics of STEM. What is STEM? STEM is a curriculum based on the idea of educating students in 4 specific disciplines: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Rather than teaching the 4 disciplines as separate subjects, STEM integrates them based on real-world applications. STEM education puts an emphasis on preparing future generations to be successful in their careers. What is the need for STEM? STEM-based education teaches children more than science and mathematics concepts. The focus on hands-on learning with real-world application helps develop a variety of skill sets, including creativity and 21st century skills. 21st century skills include media and technology literacy, productivity, social skills, communication skills, flexibility, and initiative. Other skills attained through STEM education include problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, curiosity, decision making, leadership, entrepreneurship, acceptance of failure, and more. Regardless of the future career path considered by these children, these skill sets go a long way to be preparing them to be innovative. When should STEM education begin? Experts agree that STEM skills are required to excel in our increasingly automated and globally connected world. The early childhood years, from birth to age 5, are the most critical points in neurological or brain development. During the play-based lessons, students learn to explore and ask questions, work together, think creatively, solve problems, and find new ways of doing things. While that might sound similar to what kids do naturally every day, preschool is the perfect time to begin STEM-based learning. As per our experience, the best age varies from child to child. Generally, a kid is able to absorb and apply STEM concepts at best after age 7. How to start STEM training? In order for children to pick up STEM education early on, they must include activities such as coding and robotics. These are helpful in teaching kids the analytical, critical, and technical working of things around them. What jobs come under STEM? Science jobs. There are many branches of science including biology, chemistry, medical science, physics, computer science, psychology, and the social sciences. Example of science jobs include environmental scientists, biochemists, psychologists, anthropologists, archaeologists, and medical scientists. Technology jobs. Working in the technology field enables you to develop new systems and softwares or program existing systems. Example of technology jobs include computer programmers, web developers, software system developers, computer network architects, and computer system analysts. Engineering jobs. Engineers use their creativity and technical skills to provide solutions for a wide range of real-world problems. Example of engineering jobs: software engineers, civil engineers, computer engineers, etc. Math jobs. Mathematics includes several different disciplines including accounting, calculus, and economics. Example of math jobs include professionals who analyze data, create models, identify patterns, and provide creative data-based solutions. Lastly, what are the benefits of STEM? STEM helps to improve creativity. It helps in increasing team collaboration. It develops communication skills. It empowers critical thinking skills. It enhances media literacy. And lastly, it helps in boosting social emotional intelligence learning, SEL. Thank you.